Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a squiggly line in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your InDesign software. We can see we create a new document. Then we go to the tool section, select the line tool. Then draw the line tool, press shift on your keyboard. Then select the move tool on your tool section. Then select the line. Go to the window menu and enable the stroke option. Otherwise, press F10 on your keyboard. Then we can see here many stroke option. Now I am click the type of line drop down menu and find and select the squiggly line or the wavy line. Now I am increase the line white. Now we can see we make the squiggly line very easily. You can make squiggly line another way. Select the pen tool and make a squiggly line using this pen tool. Select the move tool. You can increase the width of the line. Now we can see we create a squiggly line very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.